In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no sound in Brave browser. If videos, music, or calls in your browser are silent, there's a good chance a permission in Brave is blocking audio. I'll walk you through the exact setting to check and how to turn sound back on safely. Start by opening your Brave browser. With the browser open, move to the top right corner and click the three-line menu icon. This is Brave's main menu, and it's where we'll access the controls that affect site behavior. From that menu, click Settings. This opens Brave's control panel, where you can manage privacy, security, and site permissions. On the left side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. Brave groups important controls here, including the ones that govern what websites can do in your browser. Next, click Site and Shield settings. Shields are Brave's built-in protections against trackers and intrusive behavior, and this section also contains the permissions that decide whether sites can play audio. In the Site and Shield settings page, scroll to the Content section and click Additional Content Settings. Some permissions are tucked into this expanded area, so the main page stays organized. We're headed there to find the Sound control. Now click Sound. This opens the permission that directly controls audio in websites. Finally, select Sites can play sound. This sets the global default to allow audio across the web in Brave. If this was previously set to block, Brave would have been silencing every site by default. Switching it to allow ensures that videos, music players, meeting apps, and other pages can play audio normally. After you make this change, Brave uses it as the default behavior. On this same sound page, you may also notice sections that show sites you've previously allowed or muted. Those lists help you understand any custom choices you might have made in the past. The global allow setting you just enabled ensures that, unless a site is specifically listed as blocked, it will be able to play audio. That's it. To recap, you opened Brave, went to the menu, chose Settings, selected Privacy and Security, opened Site and Shield settings, expanded Additional Content Settings, clicked Sound, and set it to Sites can play sound. With this permission enabled, you should hear audio again when you play content in your browser. If you're still on the page that had no sound, try playing the media once more and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this resolved your audio issue quickly.